What's up, you guys? Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick update. Alright, so yesterday, Tuesday, Monday night, okay, yeah. So Monday night, we were right here in this box. This box right here. It's a weekly line right here, this blue one. This blue one right here, which is very important to hold. Whether it be crossing, holding, whatever, but it's very important. The fact that yesterday we started dropping earlier, I mentioned in my video how that's a sign that we're gonna start either recuperating at 11:45, 12:30, or we're gonna start dropping, keep dropping, especially in that time frame if we keep on breaking, going down. Um, I also mentioned in my video, pay attention at 15-minute time frame. I kept telling you guys, look, even though we're following right now, pay attention to this area, this box. You're gonna have a struggle passing these blue lines right here. And again, pay attention to 11:45, 12:30. I was like, anyways, so as I mentioned that at either 11, between 11:45, 12:30, like always, fucking blew up. And then notice how, even though we came down at 1, how we still maintain this area right here. Notice how, even though it broke it at 2 in the morning, another trap. Notice how it went back above the blue line, another trap. A bunch of traders thought, oh, it's going back down. It passed this area, so with whatever resistance. Supported that it broke or whatnot. So they go into panic and they sell. Because, it's dropping crazy. Whether it be they went out and sell here, went out and sell here, went out and sell here. And then they got effed. Again, this is a patient of getting closer to that big day. The market still feeling anxious but nervous, but more anticipating it than scared of it. Especially after having that big drop, it doesn't really want to continue dropping because it's waiting for that data. Because you got both of them are pretty much in a bad area to keep dropping like crazy, or a fat drop, or a good, nice recovery area, a nice discount. So anyway, 4 in the morning, the market opened as soon, and look, as soon as 4-hour candle. So this 4-hour candle was an indicator for me. Let me know if the market does ever go down. This is gonna be your selling area. Just based off this. So in the market, especially right here, it did a box. This would have been your sweet area right here. 1-hour candle, it's white. Actually, no, that wasn't even a white one. But in your 45-minute time frame, you had one right there. That's why I like effing around with boxes. You want to cash that, and then what time was it? Yup, we close. Remember, we close a 6-hour candle. A 4-hour candle at 6. So that made even more sense, the fact that it broke this important area right here. This is an important area right here. Because notice how when it closed the day, it closed right here. So right here, just imagine there's some sort of little support right here in this area now. These candles are telling you especially how they end up topping it. And then after here, the way these candles also had a hard time breaking it, so this area was going to be hard. So the fact that right here, we end up hitting that resistance and ended up going back down as the market was opening instead of, and then right here you had another box. This was didn't complete, but this was more easier because of how scared the market was. See, 6:15, and right at 6:30 we get this wick, and then this would have been already a red flag of how big this 15-minute candle is and what it's breaking. What you wanted to hold this, you want to do this, exactly this, to bounce it up and all that bullshit. So the fact that it did this was already red flag in my case. Alright, so also the heavy drop that you had at 7. You see how fucking not even a 15-minute time frame you couldn't catch it? Your only chance was this one right here, and to wait in between maybe 5 minute candle. You see how I had a hard time breaking that? So it goes down, tries it, and finally breaks it. And then from there it just drops like crazy. It's inside this box right here. Alright. So what the fuck is this right here? Oh, that was a little 44 minutes happening. Alright. So anyways, so it does this, but it's still too early. It is still too early. And me seeing this, and especially with everything I hold, I wouldn't be scared of it because tomorrow, we're anticipating tomorrow. So for being no data and the market just dropping like that, it wasn't something where you're like, oh, here we go, the market's gonna fall again or it's gonna continue going on down. It's more of a no, it's just buying time. It's just buying time. So 7:45 to 8:30 will you be in your area to pay attention to. And okay, so here you have 7 and broke to this important area again. This important area. Notice how we keep rejecting this area. So yeah, so then at 8, 7:45 to 8:30, we try, get rejected, and your next area would have been 7:45 to 8:30, 11:45 to 12:30. Oh, this is still 8. Okay. So yeah, so 7:45 to 8:30, and let me see what time it reverses. 9 o'clock, 9:15. So yeah, so because you gotta remember we still got data tomorrow, so wouldn't make sense for the market to panic and go on down and whatnot. And if it was, it would have continued. It wouldn't have done this. Oh shit, it's Tuesday, stupid. So anyways, so yeah, we have data tomorrow, so it wouldn't make sense. They would have got stuck right here in this box. They would have got stuck right here in this box. This one right here, and then continue going on down. Close 10 o'clock, which is one of the four candles. 10 o'clock, close it here. That way the market can continue going on down, panicking. Because for sure they think the market is going to have bad data tomorrow, so they start selling right now at a discount. Before the market starts panicking later on or whatever, whatnot. Second thing, my indicator to go on for a buy in this area was down here. So pay attention. Right here, see how these 12-hour candles, every time they try to go on up, they will create support in this region. Even though they will drop, at the end of the day, they will close in this region. We're not close here, but create that resistance here. And they will close high, but every time they came down, they made sure they close above. So once this came down early this morning and it was coming up, that would have been your buying area. This box right here would have been your buying area. Because of the market then recovering and getting rid of whatever the waste, getting rid of whatever it needs to get rid of, shake people off, do whatever it had to do, blame it on oil, blame it on bond yields, whatever the hell it is, to go and make that move. So I'm gonna mark this box. Alright. So if you came in right here at 10 o'clock, your best area would have been this box right here. This box, you would have been back on track. 15-minute candles. You see how from there it just shoots up like crazy? And again, why? Because remember, we closed one out of four candles at 10. So to continue with that momentum and push, it knows it needs to show that aggressiveness, that pressure aggressiveness, that I'm going up aggressiveness because I'm calling a forward candle aggressiveness. And by then, that's when you're scared. Because like, oh man, I missed it already, whatnot. But then again, it loads up and it does another box. Alright. And then again, since we had trouble in this area, and we're down coming to this area right here, which is a box. You see the box down here. It's 8-hour candle. That from first of all, one from right here, and then actually they're from right here originally. But notice how they end up in a way not affecting, but you can start seeing how like anyways I don't want to get you guys confused. So I know this everything will be important or whatnot. So the fact that we had trouble here and the fact that we're coming down here in this area, we're gonna most likely go on down again. And seeing what time it is. 13, 14, 15, 16, so yeah, so 5 o'clock. And again, same thing. 1 hour 4 hour candles, we close at 6. 642. 642. 642. Yes, right? No. 610. 6 10 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10, 2. Those are the four candles, 6, 10, 2. So notice how once we were coming to 6 o'clock, shoom, it made sure that we were back inside this box. Even though that box is not there, I know that, but visually, that's how I like to see this. That's how I have a better understanding of this. And this for candle, this box was for this 3 candle box right here that you see. So I'll stretch it out. Again, when the market goes up in there or down there, it's another helper indicator. And this would have been your other indicator if you would have missed this move down here. So you pretty much went inside here. So this area would have been your next area, but so many fucking ways. Anyways, alright. So after that, the market has this crazy pushing up, and again we come to this area, and then your next area again for a candle box right here. I mean 3 candle box right here. 19, so it's 6, 7, 8. And then we're breaking a 50, and then we're coming back to that weekly that I said was very important. And if you notice, we've been, after we push on up, notice how we've been creating support in this area right here. We try to maintain above this. Look, notice how this is the main body. So seeing what time it is, 10 o'clock, seeing how tomorrow we got data at, oh, by the way, it took me an hour and a half to go over this one in NASDAQ to graph everything. That's why it took me a while to upload here, you guys. My bad. Whoosh! Nice, we got at 5:30. So a nice drop throughout the night will be nice. That way at 4:30 you can go on a sweet buy or another sweet sell, because the market, depending where it is, the market might just start dumping after 3 or 4, and then just barely start picking up at 4:30 or 5. But I gotta see where it's at to see how the market's really feeling right now. I gotta read some emails to really see how the market's really anticipating, really waiting for this, because if we have this bad news, we're already bad money wise, because of this drop that we had. So if we have another drop, it's gonna be like a little bit more worse than the drop that we had with Japan a couple of weeks ago. So you're gonna start hearing a lot of people panic or whatnot. And most likely the Fed's gonna come and save the day because of that. Anyways, so since we have data 5:30. CPI, core CPI, all of them at 5:30. Hell yeah, that's what you want. What you don't want is a data at 5:30, the other one at 6:30, the other one at 7, because then the market's gonna be all over the place. Well, we had good news and da 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 da. That way, when it hits you with one, all of them together, the market reacts faster to it instead of having this slow, volatile reaction or whatnot. And also, because you get to see somewhat how the market's gonna react to it. You got that 1 hour to actually really get to see how the market's gonna react to it in ahead. Whereas when you have data at 6:30 or 7 or past 6:30, you know, the market reacts to it right then and there. So right here, since we have this 50 Fibonacci and we just broke it, and normally you just don't drop 50 Fibonacci and close below it. You normally struggle with them. So since it's 10, my bad. Since it's night 10, what we want to see is we want to see this, or what I think I'm gonna see is we're most likely gonna see this going down here. Maybe do something like this, and around 11:15 start picking up. If we're down here by 11:15, 11:30, we want to see if it holds and do the whole same thing. 11:45, 12:30, 1 o'clock. Oh shit. 1 o'clock, or yeah, some 12:45, 1 o'clock or 2, and 2, 3. Maybe get rejected here and go back down 3 and 4 and 5 and whatnot. I want to say we're gonna try to create support up in this region. Cause notice the trend ever since Monday. We've just been trying to maintain above. This is the goal, you guys. This is the goal. This 3-month candle area is the goal. That's the goal. Trust. Trust your brother. Yeah, if anything, it's not fucking fake it like it's dropping. Just like yesterday, just like in this area right here. But we'll have to fucking find out. We didn't find out. Alright. This is Brian Secret signing out. I'll fucking try to do either a short or another quick video later on, you guys, around 11:30 or 11:45.